we're making Sifteo cubes. They're little smart devices. They have a full color display, a full motion sensing, and they talk to a computer wirelessly. And the most important thing they do is they recognize when they get next to one another. Hi, my name's Jeevan Kalanithi. I'm co-founder of Sifteo Incorporated. This one's pretty fun. This is kind of a maze explorer. You play as Booker, and your goal is to collect these eggs that are distributed around this virtual space and avoid owlbear who's trying to eat you. So we might encounter him. Oh, there's an egg, so great. So as you can see, all I got to do is just put one of these tiles next to where I am, and the penguin will automatically just jump on over there. And this little yellow arrow is telling me where to go. Uh-oh, that's bad. So he's going to try to kill me. I have to get away from him. Once you see it, you get it, and I think that's really powerful for any technology. So basically, inside of them there's a 3-axis accelerometer, kind of like the Wii controller, and then they have a 2.4 gigahertz radio inside, kind of like a Logitech mouse. That's how they talk to the computer, and a full color 120 by 128 LCD, and then a little ARM microcontroller in there, and some extra goodies, rechargeable battery and other things to round out the system. This game, the object is to clear out dots of the same color. So if I want to get rid of these yellow guys, I neighbor them and they all explode. So the other thing I can do is I can tilt the blocks to try to get bigger combos. So let's go after these red ones. I can do a big combo if I do this. We have our own internal game studio now, and they've been cracking out great games. And we're starting just now to work with some partners on working together to build games, and we hope later on this year to open up the API fully so any developer can make their own game and submit it to the App Store, and we can launch it to all the users out there. There's a general trend, you know, I think happening now in across computing, which is another UI revolution that's really being pioneered by entertainment and gaming, where, you know, 40 years ago the mouse kind of came into being, and that really changed how people use computers. We're seeing that again now with gesture and movement and touch. You know, one of the other trends that I think that we are taking advantage of is really what mobile phones and cell phones have provided for us. They have made a lot of stuff that was really sophisticated and expensive really cheap and really high quality. That means that rechargeable batteries, displays, processors have all become really, really, really inexpensive, relatively speaking, so that you can make consumer products with them without having like military-grade prices. And we are just launching our first set of units out into the world for pre-order at CES here right now.